In a world where fungal infections are rising and conventional treatments are struggling with resistance, science must find new pathways. At Amity University, Noida, cutting-edge research is addressing the silent yet seriously growing healthcare concern. Dr. Pooja Vijayaraghavan, a director of the Amity Institute of Biotechnology, takes us deeper into this pioneering work, where scientists are exploring new molecules, testing novel therapies, and reimagining antifungal solutions.
I am Dr. Pooja Vijayaraghavan. Presently, I am the director of Amity Institute of Biotechnology, Amity University, Noida campus. So when we talk about infectious diseases, people usually think about bacteria or virus. What they forget is fungus is also a critical pathogen. WHO has put fungal pathogens, particularly Candida auris, Aspergillus fumigatus, in their critical priority list, which means that they can become a huge threat for the globe. The problem is that antifungal arsenal is very limited, which means that antifungals which are available for the treatment of fungal diseases is very limited, not only in India but globally. It is also difficult to produce antifungal drugs because fungus is a eukaryotic system, so is the human, right? And any drug which you produce against fungus can also produce a lot of toxicity in humans. So that is why it is also difficult to produce antifungal drugs. In these aspects, we are trying to understand how fungal pathogens are becoming resistant to these because of the pesticide pressure. Particularly for India, we are also trying to understand how efflux pump are pushing the drugs out, the genetic mutations, the newer genetic mutations which are happening in the fungal pathogens, particularly Aspergillus fumigatus, because that is a huge problem. And we are also trying to understand the biofilm, how biofilm can be treated well, because it is very difficult to treat biofilms. So another approach that we are working towards is to understand whether we can find new antifungals from natural sources. And then we collaborated with National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, for our second project, which was also DST funded, to modify these molecules and make new analogs. What we wanted to study was to understand whether these analogs can be used either alone or synergistically with the present antifungals for a better therapeutic possibility. We also have to make them safer. We have to make them more cost effective so that all Indian population are able to afford them. So scientists today are trying to understand how we can make antifungal drugs more effective, more efficacious, so that we are able to destroy the fungal pathogen and make it a safer world. So Amity Institute of Biotechnology believes in providing a holistic ecosystem. So we are not just concentrating on academics. We are also imparting research. We are giving them a platform where students can utilize the infrastructure that the institute has developed and enhance their research endeavors, their research acumens. During this entire tenure, students learn to analyze fungal genomes, predict drug targets, model protein structures and screen compounds, all using simple yet powerful database and software. Like AI, ML, big data, etc. We are collaborating with bioinformaticians, so we tell our students who are working in our lab to understand bioinformatic tools so that they can use them. So we also use a lot of gene expression studies, we also use a lot of proteomics studies, we do a lot of transcriptomic studies. Another area of our work is to identify novel molecular targets in fungal cells that future drugs can exploit. Ultimately, our goal is to bridge the gap between basic science and clinical solutions so that our work can translate into diagnostics and improve treatment guidelines. Students are given training to work on various instruments, like for example, qPCR students are working on fax machines, on confocal, scanning electron microscopy. That kind of, gives them an understanding of the entire spectrum of how they can use these instruments in their research. Amity Institute of Biotechnology has always been focused not only to impart quality education, but also to provide them the research platform where the students can work not only with the scientists at Amity Institute of Biotechnology, but we also collaborate with scientists across the country and across the world. They can work with faculty members, and these faculty members have government-funded projects from DST, DBT, ICMR, etc. Our students are given this opportunity to work in these research labs by imparting quality education, by imparting quality research, by collaborating with industries, by collaborating with scientists across the world. We are not only training our students academically, but we are also giving them this platform where they can contribute towards Vikasit Bharat 2047 to ensure that our students are industry ready. They also are supported to get hands-on experience in molecular biology, genetic engineering, bioinformatics, drug discovery, and many other cutting-edge domains. We actively promote experiential learning through internship, life project, summer training, and industry tie-up. We are not only producing great biotechnologists, but we are producing skilled biotechnologists who can bridge this gap between the academia and the industry.
At Amity, the fight against fungal resistance continues, driven by the vision to innovate with intent and deliver pragmatic solutions to real-world problems in healthcare and beyond, or shaping a safer, better, healthier future.